Hello everybody, this is Jacob at Nexus. I am here at 73 Newell Street, located in West Warwick, Rhode Island. This is a second floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment with off-street parking, fresh paint, new floors, and much more. We're going to begin our walkthrough here right in the central living space. Pretty wide open living room, basically leads to the rest of the unit and houses or is connected to the kitchen area. Plenty of outlets in this living area, wide open bright windows with street views. Tons of room for all kinds of versatility with furniture setups, a good amount of space for an entertainment system, sectional, whatever you're looking for. It does also house the main entryway into your unit as well, but that's essentially your living area. And as stated before, it does connect to your kitchen, which is around the other side. Pretty good sized kitchen. You've got plenty of cabinetry up above and below, and all stainless steel appliances, including the medium-sized refrigerator, 4-burner stove and oven, and dual bin sink. You also have this entryway right here that leads to a little small balcony in the rear. So a private small balcony available to you through the rear door. But again, nice sized kitchen area connected to the living room. Next up, checking out the 2 bedrooms. We'll start with the bedroom on the left side. Both bedrooms are relatively the same in features. Both feature, of course, this new vinyl wood flooring and a fresh paint job, and both house their own closets. This bedroom should be able to fit a standard full XL bed set perfectly. You could try to swing a queen, but I think standard full XL is a great fit. Obviously, you can end up using this bedroom maybe as an office space, plenty of outlets around for that. That's your first bedroom. Now time for the right side bedroom. I would say this bedroom's a little bit bigger. It looks like it's got a little bit more square footage entirely. Probably a queen bed set would be a good fit for this bedroom. So queen, standard, full XL for this right side bedroom. Awesome. And there's the closet space right there for you. And lastly, we'll check out the bathroom. So, bathroom houses, of course, the same new vinyl wood flooring. You have the full tub and shower all the way through towards the end of the bathroom, ready to go. Got a small mirror vanity above the toilet, and of course, the sink vanity immediately to your left. Large mirror up above. And that is basically 73 Newell Street here in West Warwick, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we publish on our site, and of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located there as well. Thank you.